What's up, folks? We're at Zacarias at Patterson. Yep, let's get fishing. Yep, that's how I work it. 2, 3, 180. Whoa, good spot. Pump is going up and down. Water is pumping. All good. Let's get fishing. Oh, I think I got him. Yeah, I got him. Strapper. Woo! Oh shit. This is pretty tough. Zacarias. Come on, baby, come on. Woo! It's a fighter. Come on, fighter. Oh my god. Looks pretty big. It looks like a black bass strapper. Oh shit, that's big. Oh my god. It's fighting. Come over here. No. Come over here, boy. Oh man. Ah! Come on. Oh yeah. That's a fatty. A little like a 25. Woo! That's huge. That's a 25-inch, folks. 25-inch. Won't come out. Yeah. Yep. 25-inch strapper. 25, man. On the little pump. Zacarias Road. Patterson. Yeah. 25-incher, folks. Just right there. No boil, no nothing. Caught him at 25-incher. Lucky Craft gunfish. Woohoo! Took a swipe on it. It's in the bubble. I can see. Whoa, yeah. Took a swipe. They're catching. There you go. That's not a swipe. Oh, it's a chase. It's run by the bubble bat. Come on. Oh no, I got stuck. Oh, got one. Oh, it's not a boil, but on top. That's a small one. Yeah, that's a small fish. Catch and release. It's a striper. Looking about 15, 14. Yep. If you like this video, folks, please like and subscribe. Pogi talaga pan fishing. Yep, a 14-incher.